Good morning to the day 3 of Coorg trip. Again, waking up early just to see if I can get a glimpse of the sunrise. Rest of the folks are still asleep. But fresh day, fresh start, fresh adventures waiting for us. Let's start the day with kettle. The first part of kettle and travel. A morning coffee. So we just checked out from our Forest Valley resort in Coorg. We had a good start to the day, enjoyed coffee, and then had the breakfast at the hotel. This is obviously the day 3 of our Coorg visit. So we are taking another attempt at Dubare Elephant Camp this morning. We've tried to be a bit more early than yesterday, and given it's a Monday, we are hoping the rush would be slightly lesser than yesterday. So we reached Dubare camp back today morning on the day 3 after an unsuccessful attempt on day 2. Line is slightly shorter today and we've come in earlier, so hopefully it would move quickly. Let's see. What will you do at the camp?
We'll see elephants.
And
We'll bath them and feed their food.
so we've just boarded the boat for the elephant camp. It's a short ride, but still boating is always fun. So let's carry on.
Yeah.
So we are here at the Dubare Elephant Camp, which is under the foothills of Coorg region. It is pretty interesting site for tourists to come in because it allows you to interact with the giant elephant. There are a number of activities here that you can be part of. This includes taking blessings from the elephant. Then there is elephant feeding that you can do with your own hands. You can also participate in elephant bathing that we'll do after this. So it's an overall a great place to spend some time. What you need to remember is you need to come early in the morning, because while the counters open at 9, by 8:30 the queue is long enough. So plan to come here before 9, get in the queue, get the tickets, come here, spend a leisurely morning out here, and then proceed to whatever your next places are to go to. We are going to Chikmagalur from here, but then people just come here for the elephant camp and then go back to Coorg or to other destinations as they prefer. Going to the next destination of this trip, which is the origin of coffee in India, Chikmagalur. After Dubare camp, we've taken a short break or a pit stop at this cute little cafe called Fifth Generation Coffee or Fifth Generation Cafe. It's a pretty nice family owned setup, cute, cozy, something that you would want to go to on a vacation. So we've taken a stop. We are having some snacks out here, getting charged on our coffee, and then from here we'll directly move to Chikmagalur. So it's about 4 hours from here, about 180 odd kilometers. So we just left the Coorg area. We did Dubare camp, elephant camp, where we did interact with the giant animal. Then we stopped for a bit at a cute little cafe called Fifth Generation Cafe. It's a pretty good. So with the visit to the Fifth Generation Cafe, we call it a wraps to the Coorg part of our trip. We are now heading to our next destination of this trip, which is Chikmagalur. Chikmagalur is known to be the origin of coffee in India. It's the largest producing coffee region, Next largest is obviously Coorg, where we are. Both of these together account for 70% of coffee production in India. It is about 180 kilometers from Dubare National Park, Dubare Elephant Camp that we visited. Should take about 4 hours, 4.5 hours. We started at around 2, so hoping to reach our hotel in Chikmagalur by about 6:30ish. That's the plan. The route that we've chosen is through Sakleshpura, Belur, and then Chikmagalur.
500 meters, turn left.
So we just took a small tea break, pit stop here at something called Pakka Kendra, just outside of Sakleshpur. It was a pretty decent small joint, but the tea was pretty good and the snacks were good as well. The staff's hospitality was pretty good. So it was a good break, refreshing on the route. Now we're proceeding to Sakleshpur just to get a glimpse of the town, and then we'll continue onward to Chikmagalur. We are now heading towards Chikmagalur. Google Maps shows our hotel is another 12 kilometers, would take about 20 odd minutes. So we've just entered Chikmagalur town, heading to our hotel, reaching in another 5 minutes. It had been a wonderful drive so far. Let's get to the hotel, check in, and then plan the rest of the evening. Sun is setting right on my left, which is a beautiful view across the small town. Interestingly, Chikmagalur also has a railway station. Interesting. I thought hills don't have a railway station because trains don't reach there. We'll probably try and explore tomorrow what kind of trains come here. For now, let's head to the hotel.
Papa,
हाँ बेटा